Christmas don't reach grand though. I will never say giveaway yet. Man, Nanja don't tough. Don't be as a day before. Man, not to help the owner rearrange these chickens, eh? Sorry, relocate this giveaway to our own yard.
Uncle, catch him. Make the chicken not run, no.
Toby, block that corner.
Uncle, I don't catch too. Make we dey go.
What are you two trying to do?
We want just help you rearrange the chickens when make you calm down.
For this Christmas, you want help me arrange my chicken? For where? Oh yes, I dey look both of una so make una drop my chicken before I call community for una head.
Wait till safe. Mama Nicodemus, for this regime when we dey so you no consign us. Who get any chicken where they patrol for streets with no chicken guard is automatically considered a giveaway. I beg pass the message.
See how them be. Thieves. Ojibole. Make I see una leg for this compound again. Una go see what I go do una. Nonsense. People they look for work when they want to, they go. Una dey from house to house, backyard to backyard, they look for chicken when I want steal.